Think about your future job. You study for many years in school and university. You want to become a good doctor, a dentist, a lawyer, or a computer programmer. You work very hard every day and you spend a lot of money to get a good life. But suddenly, a new computer program appears. This computer program is called artificial intelligence, or AI. It can check sick people faster than a doctor. It can write big legal books in 3 seconds. It can do difficult computer code better than university students. Is AI going to take your job away? Are human doctors and workers in danger? Sit down, close your eyes, relax, and listen to this simple story on Speak English Now. Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with a friend who wants to learn English today. Now, let us begin. Hello, and welcome to Speak English Now. Today, we want to talk about a very famous and hot topic, artificial intelligence and our future jobs. For many years, people believed a simple idea about machines and technology. People thought that machines and robots would only do hard physical work. We thought robots would work in big factories, clean streets, drive cars, or carry heavy boxes. We believed that smart jobs were always safe. We thought doctors, dentists, teachers, and computer experts would never lose their jobs to machines because humans have smart brains. But the world changed very fast. Today, smart computer programs do not only move heavy boxes, they can read books, write stories, draw pictures, and understand human language. Suddenly, smart people with big university degrees are asking themselves a hard question. Is a computer program smarter than me? Will a robot do my job tomorrow? Today, we will answer this question together using very simple words. Let us look at one of the most important jobs in the world, doctors and healthcare workers. Doctors and dentists spend many years studying. They read big books, go to hospitals, look at medical images, and learn how to help sick people. A doctor uses his eyes, his hands, and his brain to find diseases and help patients feel better. Today, new computer programs can look at thousands of medical X-ray pictures in 1 second. The computer can find small problems, tooth decay, and bad diseases very early. Sometimes the computer finds problems faster than a human doctor who is tired after working all day. A computer does not get tired, it does not sleep at night, it does not need food, and it does not make simple mistakes because of stress. Does this mean we do not need human doctors anymore? No, this is not true. A computer can read a picture, but it cannot hold a patient's hand. It cannot say, "Do not worry, everything will be okay." Patients need real human care, kindness, and love. The future doctor will use AI as a fast tool, but the human doctor will always stay important. Now, let us look at office jobs. Many people work in big buildings. They write reports, send emails, translate languages, and work on computers every single day. Young lawyers spend many hours reading legal contracts. Computer programmers spend all day writing code for phone applications. Today, AI can write emails, create software code, and summarize big reports in 5 seconds. Because of this, some big companies are changing how they work. One manager using a smart AI tool can do the work of 4 people. This means that companies might need fewer workers for simple office tasks in the future. This idea makes many young students feel afraid. They say, "Why should I study computer programming or business if a machine can do it instantly?" But we must not look at this with fear only. Every time technology changes, old work disappears, but new and better work appears. To understand the future, we must look at the past. History gives us comfort and good answers. 200 years ago, most people worked on big farms. They used their hands and animals to grow food. Then, big farm machines were invented. One tractor could do the work of 50 farmers. Many farmers were very angry and afraid. They thought everyone would become poor and lose their work forever. But what actually happened? People left the farms and went to towns and cities. They created new jobs. They built cars, opened shops, created schools, made movies, and built the modern world we live in today. Later, when personal computers and the internet arrived, people thought typists and paper workers would starve. Instead, the internet created millions of new jobs like website design, online teaching, digital marketing, and software creation. AI is not the end of human work. It is just a new tool, like the tractor or the computer. Machines destroy boring, repetitive work, but they open new doors for human creativity. What makes a human being special? What can you do that a supercomputer can never do? The first thing is human emotion and empathy. Empathy means feeling what another person feels. A computer can analyze words, but it does not have a heart. It does not feel sad, happy, or compassionate. When a person is sick, scared, or in trouble, they want to talk to another human being who understands their pain. Doctors, dentists, teachers, psychologists, and leaders have a special human connection that no robot can copy. The second thing is physical skill and real-world adaptation. Think about a dentist working inside a patient's mouth, or a surgeon doing a delicate operation, or a plumber fixing a broken pipe in an old house. The real world is messy, unpredictable, and constantly changing. A human hand guided by a human eye can adapt to small changes in 1 second. Building a robot that can move like a real human hand in a complex space is extremely expensive and difficult. Your human body and brain working together are an amazing gift. Instead of fighting against new technology, smart people learn how to use it. We call this working together with AI. Imagine a painter who used to paint using only a simple brush and paper. When digital cameras and computers were invented, the painter did not stop making art. He learned how to use digital tools to make even bigger and more beautiful art. The same thing is happening today in medicine, education, and business. A doctor who uses AI can check 10 times more patients in 1 day and save more lives. An English teacher who uses AI can create fun lessons and stories for students much faster. A business owner can use AI to answer simple customer questions quickly so he can spend more time talking to real partners. AI will not replace humans, but a human who knows how to use AI will definitely replace a human who refuses to learn new tools. How can you make your career safe and strong for the future? Here are simple steps you can take today. First, focus on real human skills. Practice good communication, polite listening, teamwork, and leadership. Learn how to talk to people with kindness and confidence. These human soft skills become more valuable every day because machines cannot do them. Second, do not be afraid of new computer tools. Try them, learn how they work, and use them to make your daily work easier. If you are a student, use new technology to help you study, translate words, and organize your ideas. Third, keep learning every single day. The old way of learning was go to school, finish university, and stop learning. The new way of learning is learn every day of your life. Read simple books, practice new skills, and listen to long English lessons on Speak English Now. When your mind stays active and flexible, you can adapt to any change in the world. We have reached the final chapter of our story today. It is very easy to feel worried when you see scary news on television or social media about robots and smart machines. News companies love to make people feel afraid because fear gets many clicks. But you do not need to live in fear. The future is not a scary movie. Technology is built by humans to help humans live better lives. AI can help us find cures for terrible diseases, clean our environment, make good food available for everyone on the planet, and give high-quality education to every child. You have a strong mind, a good heart, and the ability to learn anything you want. Keep studying English, keep working hard on your personal goals, and trust in your ability to grow. You are the builder.